Kingsdead Elementary School. This is Principal Hampton, and I am so excited that we just finished our first week of remote learning. We were able to do so many things this week. You were able to get your logins, you were able to get technology, you were able to connect with your teachers that you haven't seen in almost a month. So I am so excited to be able to talk to you about all of the wonderful things that you've done this week. But before we begin, Miss Bryant is going to talk to us about our pledge, and she's also going to lead our Learner's Creed. Here she is.
Good morning, Road Runners. It's Miss Bryant. I miss you guys so much. Stay safe out here. But this morning we are going to do the Pledge of Allegiance and the Learner's Creed. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Learner's Creed. I believe in myself and my ability to do my very best at all times. I will respect myself and others and make wise choices. I am determined to make a positive impact in the world. We are Debt School and we achieve academic excellence. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss Bryant. So we're going to move on, and we're going to look at all of the students that did such an exceptional job this week. These students posted their videos. These students provided all of their assignments in a timely manner every single day. And we are so, so proud of you. These are our early childhood students. Hopefully you get a chance to see your name. For our primary kids, those are kids in kindergarten all the way up to second grade. Congratulations. You are the students that participated all week in Classroom Dojo, Google Classroom, did your Kids A to Z. We are so excited and so proud of you. Keep up the good work. We have one primary class here, room 203, and then we also have intermediate students as well. They did the same thing. They did their iExcel, their Odyssey, participated in Google Classroom and also Learning Odyssey, and we are so proud of you. Lastly, we have our middle school students. Our middle school students work on Google Classroom and also Classroom Dojo. And we see such a long list of students that were engaged this week. We cannot wait to have even more next week. Congratulations to you all. Now we move on to some debt celebrations, and I know there's even more. We have Miss Evans' class, we had a birthday in Miss Davis's class, and then we also had a bunch of different spirit weeks. So I'm so excited. I'm excited for this virtual learning that's taking place, and just the fact that we're all engaged and we're all doing our best in learning, even though we have so much going on. So congratulations, and let's continue to celebrate each other. So this was our first week in remote learning. And so what I did was I wanted to know what you had learned. So our remote learning first week winner is Anasia in Miss Davis's classroom. And let's talk about what she learned this week.
Good morning. I've been doing my side work and math, and I've been listening to Mr. Bloom's stories and Miss David's stories, and I've been listening to the gym.
So how have you been enjoying school?
It's really good.
What do we need to practice on?
Side works and math.
That's good. So we're going to continue to do our lessons and our work. And also, Ms. Davis gives good reading work. Ms. Davis helps a very lot, right?
Yes.
What did you like about Ms. Davis' class?
It's so nice. And then I've been listening to her, and she be teaching, and then we do our work, and then.
Thank you, Anasia. You can pick up your prize from the school Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Thank you, Miss Davis, and thank you, Mom, so much for working with us and helping us to teach your baby. Our upcoming events. On April 22nd, we'll have virtual parent-teacher conferences. More correspondence will be coming to you very, very shortly via robocall. And if you are not signed up for robocall, if you could please go to rndebt@cps.edu to let us know that you want to opt into our robocalls so that you can get all of the correspondence that we're sending. I will get a chance to talk to you again next Monday, April 27th. Have a great week in remote learning. Remember, we're having report card pickup virtually on April 22nd, and I can't wait to see all of your wonderful videos. Anything that you'd like to send to me, you can send to rndebt@cps.edu, and have a great week.